Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, I like traveling by train.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I wake up early every day.
Do you have a dictionary?
Yes, I have an English dictionary.
Do you like learning on YouTube?
Yes, I like learning on YouTube.
Do you drink orange juice?
Yes, I drink orange juice.
Do you like riding a horse?
Yes, I like horse riding.
Do you have a football?
Yes, I have a football.
Do you like writing emails?
Yes, I like writing emails.
Do you like climbing trees?
Yes, I like climbing trees.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home.
Do you like drinking tea with sugar?
Yes, I drink tea with sugar.
Do you play cricket on weekends?
Yes, I play cricket on weekends.
Do you like swimming in the river?
Yes, I like swimming in the river.
Do you like drawing pictures?
Yes, I like drawing pictures.
Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, my favorite movie is Avatar.
Do you eat pizza?
Yes, I eat pizza sometimes.
Do you like learning new languages?
Yes, I like learning new languages.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather.
Do you read English every day?
Yes, I read English every day.
Do you like to drink cold juice in summer?
Yes, I like cold juice in summer.
Do you like eating mangoes?
Yes, I like mangoes.
Do you play games on your computer?
Yes, I play games on my computer.
Do you like watching the moon?
Yes, I like watching the moon.
Do you like drinking tea with milk?
Yes, I like tea with milk.
Do you eat ice cream in winter?
Yes, I eat ice cream even in winter.
Do you like wearing a cap?
Yes, I like wearing a cap.
Do you like eating chicken?
Yes, I like chicken.
Do you like shopping in the morning?
Yes, I like shopping in the morning.
Do you write notes in English?
Yes, I write notes in English.